Hello students, welcome to our maths lecture. So children, today we are going to do the revision exercise of the chapter money. Okay. First one is that you have to draw the least number of notes and coins needed to purchase the following. You have to draw the least number, the less number. Okay. You have to draw the minimum notes. Okay. First one you can see a chocolate bar. Okay, which is of rupees 12. So now which least number of note you can draw here? Can you tell me? 5? No. 10? Yes, we can draw a note of 10, right? You can draw one note of 10 and then coin. So now 2 rupees are left, right? So we will draw one 2 rupee coin. So like this you can draw, and then inside this you can write, sorry, inside this you can write that is rupees 10. That is, in the note you can write rupees 10, and in the coin you can write rupees 5. Okay. So children, I am not able to write it properly inside the note or coin, but you can write it. Okay. So the next is, you can see a donut which is of rupees 25. So children, which least number of note we can draw here? 10, 5, no. 20, yes, 20. Okay. We'll draw a note of 20, and then a coin of rupees 5. Okay. Here like this. So you will write inside, here you will write rupees 20, and inside the coin you will write rupees 5. Okay. Now the rest too you have to do it. You have to try doing it by yourself. It is rupees 46. Okay, that is a cone. So here what you can do? You can draw a note of rupees 50? No. You can draw two notes of rupees 20, right? Then you can draw one coin of rupees 5, and then again one coin of rupees 1. Okay. So the last one is rupees 30. You can see these are what are gulab jamuns, right? It is somewhat like that only. So it is of rupees 30. So this you have to do it by yourself. Okay. So question 2 is, that is, write two ways to exchange 35. First one is, you have to exchange using only coins. So children, how will you do this? Only coins. So you can take coins of rupees 10, right? So you can take here 3 coins of rupees 10 and then 1 coin of rupees 5. So you can take 3 coins of rupees 10 and you can take 1 coin of rupees 5. Okay. So here you can write that 3 coins of rupees 10 and then 1 coin of rupees 5. Okay. Then the B is using only notes. You have to use only notes to exchange rupees 35. Here you can use one note of rupees 20. Okay. And then so here you can use one note of rupees 20, then remains 15. So you can use one note of rupees 10 and then again one note of rupees 5. Okay, so it will be 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, so it will be 35. So now it is that using both notes and coins. So you have to use both notes and coins here. So children, how will you use it? So how will you make 35 rupees with the help of notes and with the help of coins? So here what you can do is, so here you can take both notes and coins. So you can take one note of rupees 20 and then you can take one coin of rupees 10 and other coin of rupees 5. Okay. So you can try doing it, and if you cannot do, if you are not able to understand, then you can let me know. Okay. So I'll tell you again how to complete it. So now it is question 3, that is, put the correct sign to compare the given amount of money. you have to put the correct sign, okay, to complete the given amount of money. Okay, so here you can see the piggy banks. First one is rupees 48. It is compared to rupees 33. So which sign will we put here? Crocodile will open its mouth towards the greater number. Okay. Second is 95 and 95. So it will be equals to. Third is rupees 16 and 61. So crocodile will open its mouth towards the biggest number, that is 61. Okay. Question 4 is match the following. Rupees 18. So you will match rupees 18 with 18 rupees. Then it is rupees 27. You will match it with the figure 27 rupees. Then rupees 79. 79 rupees. Then it is 86. So 86 rupees. Okay. Now you have to look at the picture. So now you have to look at the price of the given articles and find the total cost of the following. So the first one is, that is balloons and candle. Okay. So balloons and candle. So here balloons and candle. So first we will see the price of balloon. That is rupees, here 40. Okay. So you will write here 40 plus candle, price of candle, that is 55. Okay. So now 40 plus 55 equals to 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 4 9 equals to 95. And don't forget to write here rupees. Okay, I have not written, you have to write it here. Okay, so the answer will be rupees 95. Answer will be rupees sign and 95. Okay, then it is birthday cap and muffin. So birthday cap, here you can see that is of rupees 21. Okay, you will write here rupees 21 plus muffin, that is of 43. Here 43. So again you will do 21 plus 43, that is 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So the answer will be rupees 64. Okay, same ways you have to do this. Okay, it is very interesting. Then the last question is subtract the given amount of money. So we all know how to do this, right? Because you have done this. So you will do this in your maths notebook. First is rupees 80 minus rupees 20. Okay. So you have to do this in your maths notebook, and you can take 2 days to complete this work. So you have to send this work. So you can send this work by tomorrow night. Okay. Or tomorrow evening. Okay. So complete this work, and then if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay. So here we end our chapter money, and then we will do the workbook exercise tomorrow. So children, please go through the chapter. If you find any doubt, any confusion, then you can let me know. Okay. So that's all for today's maths lecture.